Hi everyone, this is Shita Sipin Matre, and today I'm going to present before you a very interesting pick a card reading as to how your week is going to be the coming week. So for today's pick a card reading, we have three options. Option number one is this lovely, beautiful peach rose. Option number two is this red rose, and option number three is this pink rose. I will be doing reading using only tarot cards today, guys. So I hope you enjoy that too. So these are your three choices. So take a deep breath, breathe deeply, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So these are your three options. Whichever option is calling you, choose that particular option. In case if you're confused as to what pile you should pick up, do not worry. Just take three pieces of paper, write 1, 2, 3 in each paper, and say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how my next week is going to be, and pick up one particular piece of paper. Whatever number comes on that in that piece of paper is the pile that you should choose. So if you get number 2, then you should see the pile, the number 2 pile. All right. In another way is to you can just simply if you had to take any of these roses home, which rose would you take home? So you can you can choose a pile by that way as well. So guys, these are your three piles. I am not going to do charms and other divination tools, only tarot, because of the time limit that I have. So let's begin, guys. Hello pile 1, all those of you who chose this beautiful peach rose. So let's see how your coming week is going to be. All right, that's your first card. 2 of Cups. Wow, sort of commitment, happiness coming your way in the week ahead. I also feel that, interestingly, there are so many colors. So some of you are going to play Holi, and you're going to celebrate Holi, okay? For the ones who do celebrate, I also feel that there is going to be an element of happiness coming your way, an element of joy. There is going to be a good emotional give and take happening in the week ahead, wherein you are maintaining a balance between giving and receiving. Also, I do see lot of exchange of love, exchange of emotions happening in the week ahead. The card also represents partnerships, support. So yes, you are going to get good support from someone. Also, you're going to be more committed towards your work, towards your family, towards your loved ones. Sort of commitment I am seeing, group 1, in the week ahead. Let's see your next card. The Page of Wands. So yes, the week ahead is full of adventure, new beginnings. There is going to be a lot of excitement happening in the week ahead. You are going to be full of energy. You may take up something which you have never done before, and that may really make you feel so alive. All right, I also feel some of you are going to take some sort of physical activity like dancing or something, which is very different and adventurous. All right, also some news regarding I feel, and what I'm hearing is career. Some news regarding career is going to come, is what I'm hearing. The Devil card. All right. So this card is saying that during the weekend you may overindulge, so you need to take care of that. Do not overindulge, do not give into temptation, or do not go overboard. All right, you need to ensure that you are maintaining your balance in whatever you are doing and not giving up in any sort of addictions. So yes, during the weekend, ensure that you are not giving into any sort of addiction. That's something you need to take care of, guys. All right, so let's see what your other cards are telling regarding your blessings, finances, love, changes, health. All right, so let's see. Changes are coming your way, and let's see message regarding health. All right, okay, so let's see the blessings coming your way. Wow, the blessing coming your way is healing, lot of emotional healing, lot of physical healing as well. You are going to take a break, you're going to put yourself as a priority. You're going to be like, you know what, let me just take some rest, everything else can, can wait for a while. Also, I feel that there will be something, what I'm hearing is something to do with your bed. Maybe you're going to buy some bed sheets, maybe you're going to buy something relaxing. You could also buy something for your bedroom is what I'm hearing. But yes, a lot of healing happening for sure. The blessing coming your way is emotional healing, physical healing, rest, peace happening. A lot of rest, you're going to get rest. All right, let's see what your finances are telling us. The Tower, so expect the unexpected. So there would be some unexpected expenditures which may make you feel, oh my god, I was not expecting this, or you may overspend. Okay, so ensure that you are not unnecessarily spending money because of the Devil card over here. So yes, there could be some unexpected surprises, but eventually it would be a blessing in disguise. All right, let's see a love card. The Ten of Swords. All right, so see, this card is saying that you would come to know about some sort of betrayal which has happened to you in the past is what I'm hearing. So with this card, I feel there was somebody, okay, in the past who has disappointed you, a friend or an ex, and this card is asking you to forgive. All right, so you need to forgive and move on towards the brighter times. So when it comes to love, yes, there would be some sort of disappointments, but it's like the worst is behind you and new horizons are going to come your way. So forgive and move on. All right, let's see what changes are going to come your way. The High Priestess. Wow, so the changes coming your way is intuition. You are going to have such amazing visions. Your intuitive ability is going to really increase. Also, there will be a lot of downloads that will come to you, and these downloads are going to help you. So a lot of growth in terms of spirituality is going to happen. I also feel that some of you are going to connect to the goddess energy is what I'm getting with this card. I'm also getting that I'm kind of hearing that some of you are going to do something. Maybe you're going to buy some spectacles, or you're going to go and see an eye doctor, or maybe you'll buy some eye mask, or maybe glares, sunglasses, or something like that I'm hearing. All right, but creativity is going to be very high in the week ahead. Some of you may do some rituals regarding moon as well. So that's what I'm hearing. But you have the blessing of the goddess. All right, that's something which I can clearly see. Now let's see message regarding your health. All right, so Eight of Swords. So this card is asking you to tap into that inner authority, that inner wisdom. This card is telling you that our when we see, we need doctor's advice, doctor's consultation. We need that, but we also need mental strength to understand that yes, our body has amazing ability to heal itself, and we need to accept that fact than have this victim mentality. So you need to understand that you can free yourself. So if you're feeling trapped, go and seek an expert, speak to a doctor. If there is some sort of emotional health issue that you are undergoing, see an expert, see a psychiatrist. But take that help. Okay, take that step. Speak to a friend. You need not do all this all by yourself. You need to speak out. Okay, you need to take help wherever it is required. So when I'm seeing your overall cards, guys, there are like three major arcana. All right, so the week looks important, and you also have some beautiful cards where you have Page of Wands, Two of Cups, which talks about movement, growth, love, and yes, there are some not that great cards also, the Tower and the Swords. But understand one thing, Tower and Swords both talk about endings. Okay, and it is more like unexpected events or blessing in disguise kind of energy this to have. So yes, that's how your week looks ahead. It looks quite good to me. All right, but yes, the weekend would be very important. So and ensure that you don't go overboard or you don't indulge. Okay, overindulge. All right, guys. So this was Group 1's reading. Let's move on to Group 2. Take care. Bye bye. Hello Group 2, how are you guys doing? So today we are going to see how your week looks ahead. I have a workshop going on, guys, and my appointments are also very full. And I'm a mother, and I'm a wife, and I'm a daughter, and I'm a daughter-in-law. So time is a little bit in limit. So that's why I'll be using only tarot cards to do your reading. So I hope you understand. So because I thought even if it is a short reading, I should do it and not skip it. All right, so let's see how your week is going to be. Okay. All right. So let's start with your first card, the Eight of Wands. Wow. So a lot of fast movement. Things are going to go so fast in the week ahead that you will not even have time to realize the kind of speed which the things and events and situation are going to take. Also, some of you are going to travel, or you may make travel plans. I know the pandemic is going on, guys, but still some of you will be traveling. I also feel that you would be taking important decisions regarding some events in your life, and that decisions would require you to be really in a very fast kind of mode. I also feel that there is going to be a lot of support coming your way. So things are going to go really, really fast, like unexpected fast, but in a good way. Let's see your next card. Page of Cups. So yes, there is going to be an emotional good news coming your way. News that are going to make you feel so happy and loved and excited. So I also feel that some of you may travel to meet a loved one, or there would be some unexpected news which you will receive, good news you will receive regarding a pregnancy, an addition in a family. It could be via marriage, so it could be your family or immediate family, but I do see a emotional good news happening over here. Let's see your next card. Seven of Cups. So yes, during the weekend you may be confused as to how you should plan things, because you know what is going to happen since this unexpected good emotional news may occur. You may find yourself being confused as to what decisions you should take in order to to do justice to this particular emotional development that's going to happen. I also feel that during the weekend you may spend time, choosing as to what you should do. So yes, I do see travel, I do see emotional good news, and yes, I do see confusion as well. All right. Now let's see what your other cards are telling us. So we'll see, your blessings, your finance message, love message, changes coming your way, health. All right. So blessings, finances, love, changes, and health. Okay. Let's see the blessing coming your way. 5 of Cups. So you are going to look at the brighter side of life. You are going to have a more positive outlook towards life. You're also going to counsel others. You're going to spend time uplifting other people. At the same time, there will be someone who will also lift your spirits up. I also feel that you are going to reflect, all right? You're going to reflect on your life. You're going to spend some time maybe journaling or looking back at life and just counting the blessings. Okay, I feel that you're going to spend a lot of time counting the blessings, since this is the card which you have got regarding blessings coming your way. Let's see message regarding your finances. King of Swords. So yes, you are going to take a lot of practical decisions regarding money. You are also going to listen to somebody who is very sharp intellectual. Yes, there is going to be paperwork around finances. So it could be bank work or maybe some sort of investment. But yes, paperwork is involved, or maybe filing of your taxes or something like that. But yes, I do see paperwork happening, practical decisions being taken, and also somebody who is an expert helping you out. All right, let's see your love message. 7 of Wands. So it may so happen that people around you may unnecessarily try and create drama. However, you are going to be like, I'm not going to be part of this drama. I'm not going to take any sort of participation in all the toxicity that you guys are trying to create. I am at peace and I'm going to be in that energy. I also feel that you are going to choose calmness over all the drama that is going to be around you. But yes, there would be drama around you, especially when it comes to love life. Because love does not only mean romantic love, it also means relationships, like parental love, love with platonic love. So yes, even though people would be trying to get on your nerves, you will try and maintain your calm. That's going to happen. All right, so let's see the changes coming your way. Page of Wands. So a lot of new adventure, new beginnings are going to happen in your life. Interestingly, the Page of Wands is kind of talking about the 8 of Wands energy out here. So this is kind of resonating. So yes, there are going to be a lot of new beginnings, adventures, things which are never done before, movement. Okay, a lot of movement happening in your life, growth, progress in the week ahead. Let's see a message regarding your health. A 5 of Pentacles. So it may so happen that you may feel a bit insecure, all right, and some of you may start wondering that how your future is going to be with regards to your health. Also, some of you may start worrying about maybe a relative's health. like a parent or maybe a sibling, but some, you may be worrying about health, or overall, right now we all are in a pandemic, so news may start, news may make you feel a bit insecure is what I'm getting. However, pay attention to your own inner well-being, all right, and don't get bogged down by the negativity around you, because in your love life you will be able to maintain that. All right, so overall, when I'm looking at your cards, I don't, there is no major arcana, so nothing major as such is going to happen. All right, but yes, like I do see travel and emotional good news. um I think there are four wands card, no, three wands card, right? One, two, three. So definitely the movement is quite high. And cups, you have got three wands and three cups. So emotional energy is also quite a lot over there. You got just only one pentacle card, and that too five of pentacles. So this talks about insecurity, which you need to, there is wisdom available to overcome this insecurity. Overall, an amazing week, especially with the financial tough decisions or financial practical decisions that you will be taking in. So yes, your week looks good, guys. All right, just take some help where this confusion is going to pop up. But yes, a lot of amazing work you are going to do with regards to counting your blessings. So yes, this is how your week looks, group 2. Take care. Bye bye. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. So group 3, I will be doing only tarot cards, since I am conducting a tarot workshop and appointments, and it's really the time is a little bit in limit, so I will be doing only tarot cards. I hope you understand. So let's see your week ahead. I thought rather than skipping doing this reading, I thought I'll just do it, even if it is a little bit a shortened one. I thought I will still do it. So let's see your week ahead, group 3. Also, there are daily channel messages which are there on my Facebook page, Spiritual Retreat by Sheetal Sapin Matre. I'm also on Instagram. The links are given below, so you can have a look at that. So every day I do daily readings as well, so you can just check that as well. All right, so let's see your first card. The Emperor. So yes, in the week ahead, you are going to plan and organize everything so well. If you are in a corporate, there could be some sort of changes in the management that you can expect, or maybe there could be a management meeting or something to do with your boss. Yes, a main male will be playing an important part in your week ahead. This main male could be your boss, your father, husband, brother, somebody who is very organized, skilled, and meticulous. All right, so yes, you are going to spend time really planning things, organizing things. You will be taking lots and lots of action in the week ahead for sure. All right, now let's see the other card. Ace of Pentacles. Wow, so there is going to be a new beginning happening in the week ahead. There would be some it could be that you will be making some investments or some financial decisions. There is a new beginning where it comes to material aspects of your life, like your career, your finances, for sure. I also feel that some of you are going to take steps with regards to your fertility or having a child, is what I'm getting from this card as well, though this card represents mainly growth in terms of finances and career, but I'm hearing the child and the pregnancy aspect. So a lot of new projects happening, projects that are going to give you a lot of growth. So over here, these two cards are so resonating. That's why you're going to do so much of planning, because there is this new project, new work that is going to come your way. All right, let's see your next card. The Five of Pentacles. So this new project may make you feel a bit insecure. You may feel, oh my god, will I be able to do it? What if I am not able to do it? I feel that there is going to be a man who is going to present you with an opportunity, okay? And this opportunity, even though you are capable of doing it, you may feel insecure. You may feel, what if I'm not able to do justice to this new work that I am given? Or maybe there's a new client that you are going to get, and you may wonder, you may start questioning, what if I'm not able to deliver to this client the work that this client wants me to deliver? So there could be this sort of insecurity element that may happen. However, understand that you have it in you. You have it in you to to carry on this project beautifully. All right, so let me put your card over here. All right, now let's see the other aspects of your life. All right, we'll start with the blessings. Blessings coming your way. Finances. Message regarding love life. Changes coming your way. And health. Okay. So let's see. Blessings coming. Oh my god. This card has come in every pile's reading in some form or the other. So definitely the blessing coming your way is new adventure, all right? New beginnings, new adventure, creativity. You are going to be all pumped up with this, and not surprising with this Ace of Pentacles, all right? It's quite clear that you are going to be excited with this new beginning, and you're going to be pumped up, and you're going to put all your efforts to make this entire project, come into this amazing fruition. So yes, you are going to be super excited and lot of energy. Okay, you will feel energetic during next week. Let's see your finances. The 10 of Cups. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. So yes, some of you are going to receive some cash gifts or some sort of gifts from a family member. You are going to spend money on your family and your family's security, their future, and you are also going to feel so blessed with regards to finances, the financial blessings coming your way, and these financial blessings are going to bless you and your family equally. So yes, I do feel some sort of, maybe a family member may help you with regards to your finances, but I do see happiness, all right? There's some family happiness that's going to come because of an aspect related to money, and any which way you got the Ace of Pentacles. So yes, some of you would receive that financial help from a family member. All right, let's see your love card. The 7 of Cups. So yes, you are going to be a bit confused when it comes to relationships and love. You may be wondering, if you're single, you may have a problem with regards to choosing between 2 to 3 people, or it may so happen that you may be wondering that why a particular person ghosted you, or why are you facing challenges with regards to your love life. If you're married or in a committed relationship, you may be a bit delusional, or you may be not able to kind of make some decisions. It could be as simple as how should we spend our weekend, or what kind of investments we should do. So some sort of a confusion would be there. Some sort of choices are going to present themselves with regards to your love life, and yes, there looks a lot of confusion regarding it. But do not discuss about your relationship, your love life with anyone and everyone. Okay, ensure that you are discussing it with someone whom you trust, or somebody whom who is good with keeping things to themselves, is what I'm hearing. All right, let's see the changes coming your way. Eight of Pentacles. So the changes are coming at work front, guys. There are I feel that some of you have been doing some rituals with regards to your work, and that's kind of a scene. The changes coming definitely, as I said in the beginning, that there is some sort of changes happening at work front with regards to management. So yes, if you're in a corporate career, if you are in a business, so yes, there would be some important client who may come up. So there is a lot of changes happening at work front. Also, you have done some rituals, okay, lighting green candles, or you may have done some prayers, especially with regards to the moon cycles. So some of you have also done some abundance check is what I'm hearing. So yes, that's kind of going to bring in positive changes in your life for sure. All right, now let's see your health card. Okay, so you have got 10 of Pentacles. So yes, there some of you would be insuring, removing a health insurance for your family members and yourself. Some of you are also going to there could be some sort of family ailment, which you might start thinking, oh my god, my family has a history of this ailment, so what if even I get it? So this card is telling you that do not be insecure. All right, if you take preventive measures by consulting the right doctor, right nutritionist, then there is no need to worry. All right, nothing to worry. But overall, I see that family health would be of focus in the week ahead, especially the financial health is what I'm hearing. All right, this is so amazing. So guys, interestingly, you have got 1 2 3 4 Pentacles cards. So money, material aspects are going to be of importance. You got one major arcana. So yes, there, and that too a very important kind of a card. So yes, there is going to be a lot of planning, organizing happening in the week ahead. You have got 2 cup cards, all right, which is one of, it is so beautiful, the 10 of cups. Some of you are also going to see some rainbows, okay, or you may see the word rainbow is what also I'm getting. So yes, the week looks ahead beautiful. Just ensure that you don't give in any sort of insecurity, and you feel that you hand your problems and surrender your problems to the divine and the angels, and they will beautifully take care of it. You need to just take the action that you need to do in order to move ahead. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this reading, group 3. Take care. Bye bye.